Last week, the world's richest man, Carlos Slim, pledged to invest more than 4 billion pesos over the next 3 years to support education in Mexico. Part of that pledge involves a partnership with the Khan Academy. The Khan Academy is a nonprofit organization that posts a very extensive video library of lessons on the khanacademy.org website. I said extensive, not pretty. The videos are super basic, with hand-drawn explanations of topics like hemoglobin.
In the red blood cell, you have this carbonic anhydrase.
However, special guest stars do spice things up.
Mr. Brown here. I got a quick brain teaser for you. If I'm down 3 with 30 seconds left, is it better to take the 3, or is it easier to take the 2 and attempt to foul a bad free throw shooter and get another possession?
That's a very, very interesting question, LeBron.
And while it's a lot of science and math, you will find some discussions of topics like art history.
The delicacy that he's lavished on the tonality of the back wall and the other forms in this room, it's just spectacular.
I mean, obviously, the delicacy of the tonality is spectacular. All of this is completely free. The Korean War, an explanation of the debt ceiling. Founder Salman Khan has been described by Forbes as the internet's first celebrity teacher.
So we've essentially restated our divergence theorem.
That's him doing most of the lectures. Other teachers use these in their classrooms, but a lot of the appeal is for lifelong learners looking to understand new concepts. Bill Gates is a fan, and now it's clear even richer guy Carlos Slim is as well. New lessons are added to the Khan Academy all the time. You can check them out at khanacademy.org. And hey, teach us a little something. Head on over to our Facebook page and let us know what your favorite lesson is.